It is now 4 p.m. on December 13th Beijing time. Yesterday's video suggested going long in EURUSD below 1.0713. After the video was issued, the exchange rate rose from 1.0780 to 1.0827 in advance, without any correction, and then remained around 1.0780 for testing. The market will not make any big bets before this week's Federal Reserve decision, and we'll wait and see if it does not give the opportunity to enter. Because we still hold gold long orders that enter the market below 1983. No new points were given in the video yesterday. The highest price after entering was 1996.5. Those who follow the video and keep up with the operation can get up to 135 to 208 points. Before the release of US CPI data last night, Lauda reminded gold to be sold in 1988, with a small profit of $500 to $1,230 per lot. Regarding the Federal Reserve's decision early Thursday morning, most markets are now betting that interest rates will remain unchanged for the third consecutive time, which can also be regarded as the end of the tightening cycle, but it will not turn around immediately. By continuing to maintain high interest rates, it can also be understood that the US index will not start falling so soon. If retail investors follow the Fed or market sentiment, it is easy for them to go long, and both long and short parties will easily suffer losses, especially for gold, whose market size, trading volume, and liquidity are smaller than those of mainstream currency pairs. It is more susceptible to manipulation by institutions. In high volatility and high-risk markets, it is even more appropriate to operate with a low lot size. Lauda's main account is currently operating 3 groups of strategies at the same time, including intraday penny orders, market execution orders, and EA-programmed automatic trading with EURUSD. By keeping light lots, the rate of return is stable at 11 to 19% every month. The principal of $200,000 has accumulated a profit of $98,942 from October 1st to today. At the end of this month, the profit rate for the first quarter and the whole year can be calculated. The historical record and real-time operation process of the main account have been disclosed for more than 3 consecutive years. If you are interested, you can contact me to learn the password. The initial funds for custody ranging from $5,000 to $200,000. Observe first, then choose the cooperation mode according to your needs. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. Before the upcoming high-risk event, the Federal Reserve's decision in the early morning, EURUSD is still fluctuating within a narrow range of 1.0720 to 1.0800. And market funds are only willing to bet after understanding the Fed's dot plot. On the trend, 1.0720 to 1.0690 is still the key support. It is recommended to go long at 1.0730 to 1.0665 during the day, with stop loss at 1.0655. As a result of profit-making selling by both, gold has fallen from its historical high to the key support of 1970, and its decline is now slowing down. Although the Federal Reserve is cracking down on interest rate cuts, Wall Street institutions believe that interest rates have peaked, and central banks are increasing their gold holdings every month, which also provides support to a certain extent. It is recommended to go long at 1967 to 1954 during the day, with stop loss at 1952. The interest rate decision in the early morning will greatly interfere with the market, so be careful to reduce the number of lots in your operations. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the low part is today's point of view sharing, but it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lauda will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I'll give you a famous quote from Charles Dickens.